Hello students, this video is for grade LKG, so let us start. We have three different sections in this sheet: English, Maths and EVS. We will learn about three different sections: English, Maths and EVS. Let us start with English. The first question is, circle the pictures that begin with the letter I. What we have to do is, we have to circle the picture that begin with the letter I. हमें क्या करना है? जो भी पिक्चर लेटर I से स्टार्ट होता है, ओके, लेटर I से स्टार्ट होता है, उसे हमें सर्कल करना है. I for ice cream, I for ice, I for ink pot, okay, I for ink. In this way we have to find out the picture which starts with letter I. हमें उस पिक्चर को फाइंड आउट करना जो लेटर I से स्टार्ट होता है. And after that we have to circle that picture. Okay, so what we have to do is circle the picture that begins with letter I. उस पिक्चर को सर्कल करना है जो लेटर I से स्टार्ट होता है. As you can see, the first picture is chair. Chair starts with C. Chair starts with C. So we will not circle this one. And see the next one. It is a ink pot. Ink pot starts with I. So we will circle this picture because it is starting with I. It is beginning with letter I. In this way, you have to circle the picture that begins with letter I. Now see the second question. Fill in the blanks. Sound of letter J is. What we have to write in this? We have to write the sound of letter J. Letter J का sound क्या है? Okay, what is the sound? What is its sound? उसका sound क्या है? ये आपको write करना है. Sound of letter M. ओके, साउंड मतलब आवाज़. जब हम उसको बोलते हैं तो हम उसको कैसे प्रोनाउंशिएट करते हैं, किस तरीके से. लाइक हमने कहा जे, तो कैसे है ज, उसके बाद ए, देन जब हम इन दोनों को मिलाते हैं तो क्या बनता है जे. दैट साउंड वी हैव टू राइट हियर. अंडरस्टूड? इन ऑल द थ्री वी हैव टू राइट द साउंड ऑफ लेटर जे, एम एंड पी. ओके, now everyone, let's revise alphabet A to Z with one letter, with one words. Okay, one words. A for apple, B for ball, C for cat, D for dog, E for elephant, F for fish, J for joker, K for kite, L for lion, M for monkey, N for nose, O for orange, P for parrot, Q for queen, R for rabbit, S for sun, T for tiger, U for umbrella, V for van, W for watch, X for xylophone, Y for yacht, Z for zebra. Okay, so this was all about English. Let's move to the next portion, which is of maths. Rewrite the numbers in each row in a correct order. You can see 3 rows are given in 3 different pictures. The first one is an apple, second is in star and third is in computer. Okay, 3 अलग अलग रो दिए हैं उसमें and you can see in that objects, the objects are given. In that objects a few numbers are given. कुछ numbers लिखे हुए हैं उन objects में 8, 6, 10, 7, 9. Okay, हमें क्या करना है? What we have to do is we have to rewrite these number in each row in correct order. ये सब क्या है? नंबर कैसे लिखे? उल्टा पुल्टा नंबर लिखे हुए हैं ना, 8, 6, 10, 7, 9. ये सारे नंबर्स उल्टे पुल्टे हैं. So what we have to do is we have to write these numbers in correct order. Correct order में हमें इन्हें write करना है. Like 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Okay, in this way we have to write these numbers in correct order. See the next one, 14, 12, 15, 13, 11. We have to write these in correct order. So it will start from 11. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, so in this way we have to rewrite these numbers in correct order. इन numbers को हमें फिर से write करना है, rewrite करना है correct order में. Okay, in their proper order, correct order. Okay, let us revise counting 1 to 50. Everyone repeat with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 50. So we have read counting 1 to 50. This was all about maths. See the last portion, which is of EVS. The question is, color the picture of the playground given below. In this, we have to just color the picture. Okay, this picture is of a playground. प्लेग्राउंड की पिक्चर बनी हुई है जिसमें कि बहुत सारी चीज़ें हैं लाइक स्विंग्स, स्लाइड्स, ट्रीज, गेट, बाइसिकल, एयरप्लेन, बॉल, ब्रिज, ट्रीज. ओके, बहुत सारी चीज़ें यहाँ पे बनी हुई हैं. एंड व्हाट यू हैव टू डू इज यू हैव टू कलर दिस पिक्चर. ओके, you have to color this picture very nicely with the help of your favorite and bright colors. Okay, you will color this picture. So this was all about today's sheet. We have learned about 3 different subjects: English, Maths and EVS. I hope you all have understood this sheet very well. If you still have any kind of doubt related to any question, any topic, any subject, you can ask me. Thank you.